Hello, good morning everyone. Today I will tell you how to remember the names of all the planets of our solar system in a very easy trick. Actually, it's very difficult to remember the names of the planets of our solar system for every grade students. So if all the students follow this trick, this is very amazing and a very easy trick. So let's start. I draw the solar system first. Here this is Sun. There are certain planets around the Sun. If you say first of all is Mercury, the next is Venus, the next is Earth, next is Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, and there is another planet which is Neptune. There are two ways to remember the names of these planets. What are these? The first one is remember a sentence. My very educated mother just served us noodles. You have to remember the first starting alphabet of each word which I have mentioned in my circles. This is actually Mars, this is Venus, this is Earth, sorry, this is Mercury. Actually I am going from left towards right in this way, in this direction. You can remember this as Mars too. Here Mars come, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, this one is Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. There is another trick how to remember these names with in just one go. If you can't remember this lengthy sentence, I can tell you another trick. That trick is actually remember Movem, Jason, Jason. You can remember all the names of the planets in our solar system. This M is for Mars. This M is for Mars. This way. So this V, this is actually for this M is for Mercury. Sorry, this V is for Venus. E is for our planet Earth, the most beautiful planet. M is for Mars. J is for Jupiter. S is for Saturn. U is for Uranus. N is for Neptune. So this is the easy way to remember. If you want to learn a trick on how to remember the moons, just like Earth has one moon around it, Mars has two moons around it. I can tell you there is a simple trick to how to remember the names of moons too. Write MVEM here, Movem, Movem. This is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Write 0012. It means Mercury has 0 moons, Venus has 0 moons, Earth has 1 moon, and Mars has 2 moons. And then write the second code of this sentence I told you, Jason. Okay, write 79, 82, and then write 27, write 14. Actually, if you see, '79 is a somewhat difficult to remember, and 82 also difficult to remember, 27 and 14. You just have to remember these three figures. First two come after a difference of 3, and the next one is multiple of 3. 27 is multiple of 3. Nine into 3 is equal to 27. So you have to pick this 3. In this 3, here this 3, there is difference of first two words is 3, and the third one, which is at third number, is multiple of 3. If you can remember this, you can easily remember these difficult digits. And these are actually the moons of these planets. So I hope this trick will work for all the students, for all the aspirants of competitive examinations. I will come tomorrow with another trick, and remember me in your prayers. Take care. Goodbye.